How to add your diagnostic parameters in the Cankado Patient app. Open the Cankado Patient app in your device. Click on Existing User. Please log in with your registered credentials. To add your diagnostic parameters, click on Diagnostics. Select the appropriate diagnostic template to document your health parameters. Select the date by clicking here. Select the time by clicking here. Add the parameters here. Click on the Save icon. You have now successfully documented your diagnostic parameters. To view your documentation on diagnostic parameters, click Diary on the menu screen. Select the date on which you have added the diagnostic parameters. You can view your documented diagnostic parameters in the Diary section.